In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams. This integration is really helpful if you want your Calendly events to automatically create online meetings in Microsoft Teams, so you don't have to manually add links or send separate invites. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have everything connected and running smoothly. First, open Calendly in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all the tools and connections you can add to your account, including video conferencing platforms like Microsoft Teams. When the Integrations and Apps page loads, you'll see a list of available integrations and a search bar. In that search field, type in Microsoft Teams. As you start typing, Calendly will filter the results until you see the Microsoft Teams integration appear. Once you see it, click directly on the Microsoft Teams option to open its details page. On the Microsoft Teams integration page, you'll see a description of what the integration does and an action button that says something like Integrate Now. Go ahead and click on Integrate Now. This is the key step that begins the connection between Calendly and your Microsoft account. After you click that button, Calendly will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts usually include signing into your Microsoft account if you aren't already, and granting Calendly permission to create online meetings on your behalf in Microsoft Teams. Read each prompt carefully and confirm or allow access where needed. This might include selecting which account to use, agreeing to requested permissions, and confirming that you want Calendly to use Microsoft Teams as a conferencing option. Once you've followed all the prompts and the connection is complete, Calendly should confirm that Microsoft Teams has been successfully integrated. From that point on, when you set up or edit your event types in Calendly, you will be able to choose Microsoft Teams as the location or conferencing option. Calendly will then automatically generate a Teams meeting link for each booked event and include it in the calendar invitation sent to you and your invitees. And that's it. You've now integrated Calendly with Microsoft Teams, making your scheduling process more seamless and professional with automatically created online meeting links.